Hello guys, good evening. So, slowly transfer na cause my phone is already give up. So, yeah. Slowly transferring everything. Guys, so this is my new phone. Everything is I will transfer slowly, so I will start because one of my phone is already near to give up, but I use it little because I miss it. I miss my phone, guys. So guys, we are 155 subscribers. So thank you so much. Thank you guys. So, new ni siya guys. So, yeah.